Hi everybody, and welcome to my listing at 1288 Sandstone. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home here on just shy of an acre, backing up to Galbraith Mountain, mountain biker's paradise. Home was built in 2017, and it's got a lot of cool features. Come on in and check it out. Coming in the front door, we've got an office space off to our left. It is on the main floor of the home, and all of the bedrooms will be down below us. It also opens up to this expansive living area, kitchen, and dining area. So tons of space up here on the main floor. And we're also looking south out of these windows, and in the distance there you can see Chuckanut Mountain, which is just amazing. Whether it's cloudy or a beautiful sunny day, the view's always changing and looking different. We've got a half bathroom on the main floor here. We've got the kitchen over here, which looks out over your deck, looking out toward Bellingham Bay. You get a little bit of a filtered view through the trees there. And then again, just an expansive view of Galbraith Mountain. You're also looking over most of your property here. It runs back to the trees and just a little bit further than that. So you've got a really large yard on the back side of the home as well. Moving toward downstairs, you'll see over here we've got a 2-car garage. We might check that out in just a moment, but we'll stay inside for a minute and check out what's downstairs. A really wide staircase coming down, so moving furniture up and out wouldn't be an issue. You've also got a sliding door down here that is accessible to the outside. At the base of the stairs, you've got this kind of bonus living area with bedrooms situated on both sides here. You've got the primary bedroom to your left, which is on kind of the side of the home here. And behind us, we've got a really nice primary bathroom. You've got this walk-in shower, soaking tub behind the door here, and then a really great closet that's at the back of the bathroom here with built-in storage, and then also some additional storage space or a kid's clubhouse, whatever you think would be a good use for it. Heading back out toward the living space on the lower level, we'll kind of just head toward the backyard here. And we've got your laundry room here with a utility sink and things like that, so plenty of space to keep that out of sight. And then 2 bedrooms on this end of the home and a full bathroom dividing them. We're under the deck here, but both of these bedrooms look out toward the back and side yards, so you can kind of get a glimpse of that. We've got 2 very large storage tanks out there that you might have caught a glimpse at. Those capture rainwater and are used for irrigation purposes around the property. So now we can head back upstairs and then maybe outside to check out some of the other features that make this property so special. Before we head outside, we'll just check out the attached 2-car garage. In here we've got obviously a double-car garage with the overhead door, plenty of storage, recently updated on-demand water system there, and a door here that leads you out to your back deck, which is also accessible off of the living area. Okay, here we are in the driveway of the home. Behind you, you've got the house. You saw the 2-car garage. You also have this really awesome additional shop space over here. So let's just head inside and check this out. You've got power galore, so you could hook up car chargers, welders, things of that nature. But inside we've got really high ceilings here, nice natural light also, kind of bringing in some of the outdoor light and views looking out from the property. But a really nice shop space that you could do so many different things in here. So a really great feature of the property. And now I thought we'd just take a quick lap around the outside, and I'll point out just a couple more things I think make it really special. So outside the home, you can, there's a pathway around the home in either direction, but we'll head this way. Got kind of an enclosed little garden area here to keep the deer away. There's a lot of berries around the back side of that shop building. And then we walk around the corner here, and these are those tanks that we had mentioned. They're 2,500 gallons per tank. So you've got a ton of water collection happening here. And we are on a well at this property. In the situation where you were ever not producing enough water with that well, you can easily convert this over to be pumped inside the home and through the filtration system. So you've got 5,000 gallons worth of water here. A feature I find pretty cool is this hot or cold outdoor shower. And I think that'll make a little bit more sense when you see the barrel sauna here, which is included with the property as well. So you can do your hot and cold and kind of go back and forth between those two. Stairs leading down off of the deck area to this lower patio. And if you kind of look out this way, you've got some raised beds in there, a really nice garden space with lots of opportunity there, and then a lower cleared area there. It would be a great spot for a play structure or something like that, but this is your property running back toward the trees. We saw the sauna, and then we've got this really sweet overhead door that opens up to a little bike workshop area, depending on how you want to use that. They've got all that set up over here. So lots of opportunities for whatever hobbies or activities you'd like to engage in, and plenty of storage throughout the whole property. And maybe I should mention the coolest part. This trail here that runs just along this side of the home leads directly into Galbraith Mountain. So you can take this trail, and within a minute or two on foot or 45 seconds on a bicycle, you are into the Galbraith network of trails, and you can access any part of the mountain directly from the property here. Thanks for joining me here at 1288 Sandstone, an amazing property over here backing up to Galbraith Mountain. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 2,800 square feet of living space. We saw the attached 2-car garage, the detached shop space, and the lower level bike shop. There's so many options for this property and ways to live here. Please reach out if you have any questions about the place or would like to schedule a tour. I'd be happy to swing by and show you anytime.